Garmin has done it again. The brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is here, and it's not just another smartwatch update. It's a complete game changer for adventurers, athletes, and explorers worldwide. With a rugged titanium design, a stunning new AMOLED display, next-level GPS accuracy, satellite connectivity, and battery life that lasts for weeks, the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just a watch, it's the ultimate adventure companion. Whether you're climbing mountains, diving deep underwater, running ultramarathons, or just pushing your limits, this smartwatch is built to go further than ever before. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Fenix 8 Pro, its shocking upgrades, new features, and why it might just be the best adventure smartwatch ever made. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The world of adventure smartwatches has always been dominated by Garmin, and with the arrival of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the bar has been raised higher than ever before. This isn't just another smartwatch update, it's a complete reimagining of what a rugged, durable, feature-packed wearable should be. Built for explorers, endurance athletes, climbers, divers, and anyone who dares to push beyond the limits, the Fenix 8 Pro delivers a combination of durability, intelligence, and performance that is unmatched in the current smartwatch landscape. With an entirely refined design, enhanced display technology, next-generation health tracking, satellite connectivity, and battery life that seems almost endless, the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just a gadget, it's the ultimate adventure companion. When Garmin launched the Fenix 7 Pro, it became an instant favorite among athletes and adventurers who needed a watch that could survive extreme conditions while providing precise data. Yet, even as strong as the Fenix 7 series was, the demands of outdoor enthusiasts kept evolving. People wanted more accuracy, longer battery life, better displays in harsh sunlight, and even smarter tools for training and recovery. Garmin listened closely to its loyal user base, and the Fenix 8 Pro is the company's answer. It takes everything that made the Fenix series legendary and elevates it to an entirely new level, making it less of a watch and more of a survival tool, fitness coach, and adventure tracker all rolled into one. The design of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro deserves immediate attention. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and available with sapphire crystal protection, it looks and feels every bit as premium as it is durable. Garmin has managed to make the watch slightly slimmer while still enhancing ruggedness, which is an engineering feat in itself. The bezel and case are built to withstand brutal environments. Whether you're scaling snowy peaks, trekking through deserts, or diving into deep waters, the Fenix 8 Pro feels indestructible. Garmin has also introduced improved water resistance, rated up to 200 meters, making it ideal for divers and water sports enthusiasts. The band system has been redesigned for better comfort and quick swapping, ensuring that the watch feels equally at home in a business meeting as it does strapped to your wrist on an expedition. The display is one of the most dramatic upgrades. For the first time, the Fenix series gets a bright, ultra-durable AMOLED display option in addition to Garmin's classic transflective MIP, memory in pixel, screen. This gives users the choice between incredible vibrancy and the ultimate in battery efficiency. The AMOLED version shines with crisp, vibrant visuals, making maps, charts, and data screens more readable than ever before. Meanwhile, the MIP display variant ensures maximum endurance, offering unbeatable visibility under direct sunlight and extraordinary battery longevity. The combination of these two options ensures that the Fenix 8 Pro can adapt to both urban athletes and hardcore explorers who need weeks of battery life off-grid. Speaking of battery life, Garmin has pushed boundaries with the Fenix 8 Pro. Thanks to optimized power management and solar charging improvements, the watch delivers up to 40 days of usage in smartwatch mode and more than 100 hours in GPS expedition mode. For endurance athletes training for ultramarathons or adventurers planning weeks-long treks, this battery performance means one less thing to worry about. Even with the AMOLED screen enabled, the Fenix 8 Pro manages impressive longevity, easily outlasting most competitors in the premium smartwatch space. But hardware is just part of the story. The true magic lies in the advanced features. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with next-generation multi-band GNSS satellite tracking, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in the most challenging environments, such as dense forests or deep canyons where GPS signals often struggle. This watch isn't just about tracking where you've been, it's about guiding you where you're going. Preloaded topographic maps, ski resort data, golf courses, and thousands of trail routes make navigation seamless. Paired with Garmin's SatIQ technology, the watch intelligently switches between satellite modes to balance accuracy and battery consumption. Athletes will find the Fenix 8 Pro an indispensable training partner. From advanced running dynamics to cycling power metrics, from swimming stroke analysis to VO2 max and recovery readiness, the watch goes far beyond basic fitness tracking. Garmin has also introduced AI-driven training recommendations that adjust dynamically based on your performance, recovery, and daily readiness. For professionals and elite athletes, this means your watch doesn't just measure what you've done, it actively guides you toward your goals. The addition of heart rate variability, HRV, tracking, stress monitoring, and detailed sleep analysis provides a holistic view of health, ensuring that recovery and performance are balanced. Another groundbreaking addition is satellite communication. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, when paired with the Garmin InReach ecosystem, allows for emergency SOS messaging and location sharing without relying on cellular networks. For mountaineers, sailors, or trekkers in remote regions, this feature is not just convenient, it's potentially life-saving. Garmin has made safety a cornerstone of the Fenix 8 Pro, equipping it with fall detection, incident alerts, weather forecasting, and storm alerts, ensuring you're never caught unprepared in the wild. On the software side, the watch runs Garmin's most polished operating system yet, with faster navigation, smoother animations, and more customizable widgets. Smartwatch functionality is also enhanced, with support for offline music storage, Spotify syncing, Garmin Pay, and smart notifications that rival the convenience of mainstream smartwatches. Despite its rugged build, the Fenix 8 Pro doesn't compromise on being a connected lifestyle device. For adventurers, climbers, divers, and endurance athletes, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's the ultimate tool. It combines durability, intelligence, and innovation in a way that sets a new benchmark for the industry. Competing smartwatches from brands like Suunto, Polar, and even Apple's Watch Ultra series might match the Fenix 8 Pro in some areas, but none manage to combine such extreme ruggedness with equally extreme intelligence. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is more than just the next Fenix, it's the future of adventure smartwatches. It redefines what we can expect from a wearable that lives on your wrist not just for tracking workouts, but for guiding. It's one of the most dramatic upgrades. For the first time, the Fenix series gets a bright, ultra-durable AMOLED display option in addition to Garmin's classic transflective MIP, memory in pixel, screen. This gives users the choice between incredible vibrancy and the ultimate in battery efficiency. The AMOLED version shines with crisp, vibrant visuals, making maps, charts, and data screens more readable than ever before. Meanwhile, the MIP display variant ensures maximum endurance, offering unbeatable visibility under direct sunlight and extraordinary battery longevity. The combination of these two options ensures that the Fenix 8 Pro can adapt to both urban athletes and hardcore explorers who need weeks of battery life off-grid. Speaking of battery life, Garmin has pushed boundaries with the Fenix 8 Pro. Thanks to optimized power management and solar charging improvements, the watch delivers up to 40 days of usage in smartwatch mode and more than 100 hours in GPS expedition mode.